When the rain falls, every farmer feels like running away.
Christine, what can you say about rain today?
No, I think when we look on the sky, it seems as if it will rain soon.
Are you happy with it?
I'm very happy with it because it's the mother of all living things.
You can be in bad terms with your family members, hearing that you have nothing for their bellies. Unfortunately, that is a very big problem to some people and to me.
We big people, amen. Kuni wati asumbe. Lakini nina mwetu teta mizi ta memana suira wakela medi change. We kwatha yola wagwatiala nongina withie wikite sai bandu wazi ngisa kugwa kuna atialela nengutia miti ya nondo mana. Nano mujirane beba ngona umwe balo.
Has this ever happened before?
The other season we were crying, no rain. Now we are talking of flood. Everything is being contradicting.
It's crunch time at the COP21 in Paris. The objective and requirements are clear. We need a universal agreement on climate.
I'm going for my family's future. This is my chance to share my story. The story that I have is an alarm to everybody.
They have polluted our atmosphere for 200 years, and their wealth is based upon our poverty.
What are the qualities of a good father? Who is a good leader?
Are you nervous?
No. Yeah, I'm not scared in any way. I'm ready.